Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a pro level edits using this advanced CapCut tips. So first, I'm going to show you the text behind person. If you want to do that, here you can just add your clips and then write the text that you want. And after that, you can position it and adjust it to how you like it. For example, here I'm going to put it in the center, and after that you can just copy your videos, tap on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. So click on the video and tap on the overlay button, and now remove the background of the overlay. Click on remove background, and I'm going to just use the auto removal. Just wait until it apply. So the tag is still at the front, so you can now just click on the tags, find a layer and drag it to the right. Just like that, the text will be put behind the person. And the second tip is here how you can put video in tags. So if you want to put your video inside of the text, you can just put the video first on the timeline, find overlay and prepare a text with solid color background on it. This one, for example, you can adjust the size, and now you can go to the remove background and use the chroma key, choose the color of the text. Here adjust the intensity so that the text color will be disappear. And now here you can also adjust the shadow. Click on the check icon and you'll have this video insert text option. If you want to have animation, you can just add or use keyframes. So for the third one is how you can do the tracking effect. So here I've already prepared a video that I want to track the camera tracking. You can just click on the video and find the camera tracking. Here you can click on camera tracking and choose the subject to track. There are 4 options: face, body, hands, or custom. So custom is the object or subject that's not available in here. You can use the custom. For example, I'm going to follow the face. Now you can just tap on the track options and just wait until CapCut finish tracking the face. So now the camera tracking is completed. Here you can adjust the settings, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, and this is what you will get with the tracking. So for the next one is how you can put multiple photos on a screen in a video. For example, in here I'm going to undo the camera tracking. For example, I'm going to add image overlay to this video, so you can click on add overlay. Here I'm going to just find a random photo to add. Okay, I'm going to select 2, for example, tap on add. Here you can adjust the position and also the size of the photo, just like this. You can also add animations if you want to. You can go to animations, and here, for example, under the in, I'm going to add an animations like, let's try the zoom 1, I mean here. And for the next one, here I'm going to add another animation. Let's try the slide left. So that's how you can put multiple photos on a screen in a video. So the next one is how you can do the text light effect. So the slide attack effects can be used if you want to add titles to your videos. Here, for example, I'm going to start add the slide text effect when this person stop talking and start another topic. This one, for example, in here you can add overlay and add the background. First, I'm going to use the CapCut library for the background and find an image in here. For example, I'm going to use this purple color here, and I'm going to rotate it like this and then make it full screen. Okay, and now you can just add your tags, or here I'm going to add animations into the background. First, here I'm going to add the slide down. Let's find it. This one's right here. You can click on a check icon, and now you can write the tags. So I'm going to click here and add the tags. For example, ABC. Okay, I'm going to just write this here. I'm going to change the style, adjust the size, click on a check icon, and here I'm going to also add animation. Here I'm going to add just the zoom as the animation. Okay, this one, zoom in, click on a check icon, and now this is the text slide effect. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is the white border around PIP or overlay. So in here, first you need to add a white overlay into the timeline. Here I'm going to just use one from CapCut like this, and after that, here you can add your photo. So click on add overlay again, and now I'm going to add, for example, a photo here as the PIP. Okay, this one here, you can just use the masking. Okay, so I'm going to just use the circle one and adjust the size to how you like it, and you can do the same for the second overlay. Choose the circle one and adjust the size just like this, and now here the white border will be add around the PIP or overlay. So that's how you can also do masking effects. So next one is how you can have the cool green screen effects. So in here, for example, I'm going to add green screen effects to this video, which is the subscribe button. For example, here you can click on overlay, add overlay here, find a green screen. I'm going to just use one from CapCut right here. For example, here I'm going to add, okay, this one's right here. Just tap on the green screen, click on add, and here to remove the green screen, you can just use the chroma key, which is under the remove background. Click on chroma key, adjust the color picker, and now after the green screen is gone, you can click on a check icon, and here is how the green screen effect look like. You can just adjust the position, for example, and you'll be done with the green screen. So the next and the last one is the clone effect. So for the clone effect here, you need to have two footages with the same background, for example, and the same situation. For example, okay, so for example, here I have this two clips. Let's say that this is a different kind of situation. For example, same situation, sorry. Here you can just copy on one, click on one of the clips and make it as overlay, drag it to the top like this, and now you can click on the overlay and find mask, and then choose the split option or the horizontal one in here, adjust the position or rotate it like this. You can click on the check icon first. Now you can just adjust the position like this and click on the second one in here. You can adjust the masking again if it doesn't fit. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.